And advance is all the little things that need to happen in order for you to get the sale. But here's what you're paying me money as your coach to tell you, because I keep it real. Most of the time when you're doing all of those little things that you need to do before the sale happens, many of them don't need to be done. I'm going to repeat that because it's important for you to understand. Just because back in 1971, there was a customer that pushed back on you guys and needed a demo, needed a case study, needed a meeting, needed a lunch and learn, needed a Zoom, needed you to present to their CIO, does not mean that every damn customer for the rest of eternity needs to do that, which is why I want you to close. Does it make sense to get our software installed? No. What's a good next step then? What we'd really like you to do is present to our CIO. Fantastic. Does it make sense for me to present to the CIO tomorrow? If you are worried about your career in sales, you should be. Over the last 3 weeks, I've been brought into 7 of the top employers of sales professionals just like you. And there's a common theme with every single company that we're going to start seeing right now. Sales reps are either going to get removed, their job is going to be gone, they're going to be replaced, they're looking for new people that do it, or they're going to be rewarded. We've entered an age where you simply can't depend on your company to keep giving you handouts and support. You need to take matters into your own hands. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales training in the world. We're going to show you how to prospect, how to close, how to negotiate. We're going to show you how to make twice as much as you're making right now in sales within 60 days. You're going to have access to an online learning portal, and you're going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You're going to be around top performers from every single industry, people that are making mid-6 figures and even 7 figures a year in sales. Click the link here to learn how you are about to become a certified master sales consultant. While everybody else is worrying about their jobs being removed, while everybody else is worrying about somebody coming in and replacing them, you are about to be rewarded. If you're excited about your career as a certified master sales consultant, you should be. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.